football is where we start, as FC Reno's search for an away win against Montego Bay United in 6 years was extended on Monday night after they conceded a late goal to draw 1-1 at the Montego Bay Sports Complex in their Red Stripe Premier League fixture.
2011 was the last time FC Reno won away against the team from the second city, and with 5 points separating the two on the table, it was important for the 8th placed home team to get a favourable result. The first 45 minutes offered little for both teams, with the clearest opportunity coming in controversial circumstances. Dino Williams, after exiting the field with an injury, re-entered beyond the Reno defence, but from a long throw-in, the Montego Bay United point man couldn't find the back of the net. It meant the two teams went into the break at 0-0. The resumption saw a more purposeful Reno team, and it wasn't long before Craig Foster broke the deadlock after outrunning a sleeping Montego Bay United defence. Plays this one through. Foster gives chase. It's Foster up against the goalkeeper. It's Foster! It's 1-0! It's Reno! Craig Foster with the opening goal after 49 minutes. And the team from Westmoreland leads in Montego Bay. Reno could have doubled their advantage late in the game, but Foster's effort was cleared almost off the goal line by Winston Wilkinson. Montego Bay United would find the defence of Reno hard to break down, and things became even more difficult when striker Dino Williams was shown a straight red card for a challenge on Ronario Downswell. 90 minutes would pass before the equaliser, as Nicholas Aponsa brought his team level in time added on. A point each means Montego Bay United goes to 16 and move a place over Waterhouse with identical stats, while FC Reno remains 5th at 2 points behind 4th place Tivoli Gardens.
We want to stay consistent. That is our aim. Pick up points whenever, especially when we travel. A point away is not that bad. But I think we got this game, we got these 3 points, and unfortunately I think we didn't convert our chances, and Mobile got a 1 chance to score.
Well, I always thought we had a chance to win the match. I never doubted my team whatsoever. I never doubted we could get a point. You know, I felt in the first half we were good, really good at times, some good interchanges going forward, created some good chances, and we didn't finish our chance. And at halftime I said, look, we've left them in the game, and that's what happened. They got on the counter.
Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.